at saka yung disaster program, yung response program. 'Di ba? Talagang bangag to eh. Tingnan mo, ito pa.
Sumama na ng gusto, bumagsak na yung ulan. So we're just watching it and seeing what will be needed.
See? We're just watching it. Can you fucking believe it? We're just watching it. So, hindi man lang siya, nag-command conference na kami dyan, we are doing this, no? Nag-prepositioning na kami ng ganyan, nag-prepositioning na kami ng mga kung ano-ano dyan. Di ba? We're watching this. Is that a remark of a sane president addressing a current situation, a disaster unfolding before his eyes in his very own province?
Yes, baluarte niya yan eh.
Tama. So tapos, we're just watching? Ay, talagang bangag to eh.
Ay naku, Pards. Kaya nga kasi kanina doon sa sinabi mong walang communication regarding the situation in Israel. Ito rin na magiging communication, wala ating laman.
Tama.
Wag na tayong umasa.
Sige, ito pa. Ito yung ebidensya na talagang may tama siya, no? Kasi gusto niyang bumaba eh. Tingnan mo.
Pagkatapos, pagdaan ng bagyo, hanggang sa ngayon, meron lang talagang we're still having to wait for the water to come down and to do
wait for the water to come down. Putang ina. Wait for the water to come down? Ano ba yun? Tama? Amats na kailangan antayin mong bumaba? Tangina.
So, aasahan niya, babaha muna. Diyos ko. Di ko na alam.
I mean, he doesn't have to say that. No? Ang tamang doon is, you have to be professional in whatever words you craft in addressing a disaster. Hindi yung parang bata eh. Ito parts. Let me just say this, no?
Yes, eh.
Ito yung problema ni Bongbong. Pagka naka-prepared speech yan, ang galing niyan mag-deliver. Very convincing, very eloquent. Basta magaling siya magaling talaga siya sa speech, no? I have to give it to Bongbong, no? Pero ang problema niyan, dahil kaya nga shielded nga siya eh. Cordoned off siya sa mga journalist. Because when confronted with ambush interviews, natataranta siya, tapos nababangag, no? Hindi na niya alam anong sasabihin, ang dapat sabihin. Kasi nga nasanay, spoiled brat kasi, nasanay na lahat na lang isusubo, ginagawa yung speech para sa kanya, lahat ginagawa para sa kanya, babasa na lang siya. Kaya nga yan, pag na-confront ng mga ambush interview na ganyan, ay talagang nonsense talaga yung isasagot.
Oo. Yung siya no? Pwede siya sa declamation o oratorical. Pwede. Pwede
basta prepared speech.
Memorize niya, oo. Natawa na ako sa isang dito, sabi niya, dami nang dinahilan ni BBM, sabi niya dyan sa flood, sa mga typhoon. Water naman ngayon, sabi ni Pandalito. Dati air, water, fire, earth.
Nung Karina, may nasira na flood control project.
Yung barko.
Yung barko. Nung Enteng, hangin lang, walang tubig. Ngayon naman, walang masyadong hangin siguro. Tubig naman yung binibintang
tubig,
niya.
Natural, ulan yan. Nakita ka na ba ng typhoon, ulan na walang tubig? Sus Mariosep, ewan ko na.
Tingnan mo pa, anong tawag nila? We are doing everything for the water to come down.
For the water to come down.
Hindi mo narinig yun? We are doing everything for the water to come down. Can you fucking imagine, guys? Ano ba siya?
National drainage.
We are doing... sige nga. Okay, i-repeat natin ha. We are, hindi ito mas slow mo. Mas slow mo ba to? Mas slow mo to. I-slow mo natin ha, para marinig talaga nyo yung niya. Okay ito ito.
To come down. Pero hindi pa ito mag-intensify pa ito.
Para natural naman yan. Di ba natural yan?
It's finished. So we'll have to watch until it's finished. So we'll have to watch until it's finished. So we'll have to watch until it's finished. Okay.
Pards, binagalan mo na talaga yan. Parang ganyan naman talaga siya magsalita.
Pero hindi pa ito mag-intend.
Nasa ba yun? Ito pala.
To wait for the water to come down and to come down and to do everything for to come down and to do everything for the water to come
Yung mga
down.
gumagawa ng kanta dyan. Pwede
Diba?
mong gawin.
We are doing for the water to come down. We're doing everything for the water to come down. Can he do anything? Ano ba siya? Ano ba siya?
Waterbender daw dito.
Waterbender. Ano bang ibig sabihin niya? We are doing everything for the water to come down. Which water ba yan? Yung water from the rain or yung flood waters for it to subside?
Parts, natatawa ako sa'yo talaga. Tinatry mo pang kunin yung logic niya.
I'm just trying to show to our viewers na putang ina talaga itong presidente. Talagang bangag to eh. Talagang napakabangag talaga. Sige. Ulitin natin.
Water to come down.
Water to come down.
Pero hindi pa ito mag-intensify pa ito.
Lalagyan ko na.
So we'll have to watch until it's finished. We'll have to watch until it's finished. Pero everything for the water and to do everything for the water to come. Having to wait for the water to come down and to do everything for the water to come
Mamaya,
down.
ma-hypnotize na tayo.
Diba?
Para meron siyang effect. Ano ba yun?
Diba? Diba? Doing
Baka
everything.
bumaligtad tayo, Pards. Huwag mo masyadong ulitin yan. Baka mamaya tayo yung dalawang bumaligtad na mga bagong vloggers. Na-hypnotize tayo dyan, ha?
Okay. Bongbong Marcos, what are you doing for the water to come down? Ano bang ginagawa mo dyan? Nagmamagic ka ba dyan? Talagang wala.
Sabi ni, pabagal pa po ng konti, Sir EB. Magigets ko. Loko talaga. Uy, mas loko ka pa kayo sa akin, ha? Sa amin, ha? Okay. Water to come down.
Hinihintay niya bumaha bago magbigay ng tulong.
Kaya nga, di ba? Parang nagtaka pa siya na may tubig. Diyan ako.
pero bakit niya we are doing everything for the water to come down? Ang Tagalog doon is ginagawa namin ang lahat upang bumaba yung tubig. May magagawa ba siya para bumaba yung tubig? Except to wait? So, ibig sabihin, ginagawa
na
niya
flood control.
Kasi we're doing everything for the water to come down. Putang ina talaga.
Ay, nako, eto na naman tayo.
Sige na. Putang ina. Wala na. Gago talaga.
Yung blood pressure ko, Pards.
Sorry?
Yung blood pressure ko.
Wag
Nasa liig ko na naman.
Ako, sanay naman ako sa mga ganito. So, hindi ako masyadong naano dyan yung ano lang, yung ano ko lang, yung bosses lang dyan. Okay. So, saan na ba tayo? Dito na tayo sa ating main topic, no? Which is ito. Parts, no? Ito, no?
Ano yan, Parts?
Ito. Okay. Andito na tayo sa 2025 elections. No, salamat nga pala, Parts, no, sa mga 651 viewers natin ngayon na nanonood at nakikinig at lalo na dun sa mga team replay dyan, no? Salamat. Paki-share nyo na nga lang at paki-subscribe dun sa YouTube channel ko. Parts, okay. What is your take on the 2025 elections? Kasi no matter how we say, no matter yung pagtatanggol natin or kahit ng iba dyan, no, even the candidates themselves, no, that all elections, including the 2025 midterm elections, no, should be issue-driven or issue-based, no.
Mm.
But as early as now, the narrative has already sprouted that this election will be a Marcos versus Duterte election. Precisely because yung mga kaalyado ng admin, no, are promoting what seems to be a bad form of governance, malgovernance, incompetence, and all the expletives, no, that you can attribute to them, as against the form of governance, no, that has been practiced by the older Duterte PRRD, now being embodied in the philosophies of Inday Sara Duterte, and hopefully doon sa mga what we perceive to be kaalyado niya, no? PDP Laban among them, and probably two independent candidates, no, pag tumakbo sila, or yung ibang kandidato pa dyan, no? What do you think, no? Is it really a Marcos versus Duterte, a battle of two families, no, between parang ano to, parang Romeo and Juliet story, no, between the ano ba yung mga pamilya doon, no,
ganun ba? Ako, Pards, no, medyo bababawan ko lang, no, sa pananaw na common. Sa akin pananaw, although I do have background in political science, and of course, my take on this is parang ang dating to sa common tao, battle of good versus evil to, Pards.
Oh,
you know, what yun, napakadiretsa kung sasabihin na battle of good or and evil. Ang problema nito, of course, that's not how it's gonna play out for the candidates themselves. So ngayon ano na sila the candidates will go where they will best benefit themselves. So itong Marcos versus Duterte na to, it's just going to yung mga irrelevant ba na players, lalo mo makikitang yung irrelevance nila. Yung for example, Pinklawan. Okay, where do they stand here? Actually, they don't play any role right now. No, so it's still just Marcos and Duterte standing out. But when you go to the nitty-gritty of it, if you stick with the Dutertes, you are risking a lot. Kasi alam natin, nakikita niyo yan, no? Let's admit it, at this point, we are the underdog. Okay. Very
Pards,
much the...
Teka lang muna, Pards. May tanong dito si Lynn Tassia, no? Totoo bang disqualified si Erwin Tulfo? Ay, salamat naman if so. Saan mo nakuha to, Lynn? Yung,
because of the standing libel case daw. So, let's confirm that. Meron kasing tatlong libel case yan na convicted siya eh.
Lynn Tassia, if you have a link, no, share it in the comment section at i-check natin ba. Kasi ang ano ko dyan, ang narinig ko dyan is ongoing libel case, no? At hindi naman yan basihan for a disqualification, hindi pa naman siya convicted. At yung libel naman is not even if convicted.
I think he is. So, let's see.
Pero even if convicted siya, I think libel is not crimes of moral turpitude ba yung libel?
I have seen the write-up kanina, pero hindi talaga ako interesado sa mga Tulfo. I'm sorry, no? Kaya hindi ko na.
Pero ako interesado ako, Pards, because they're on top of the surveys, ha? Even the brother Ben.
I know, my goodness. Yung mga nasa top, Tulfo, and then you have Soto. I think, no, Tito Soto number 3. Well, who is number 2? I forgot. Sa SWS. Is it SW? Yeah.
Oh, but anyways, going back to what you were saying, battle of good and evil, and then what?
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying right now. I'm not Marcos versus Duterte. For me, it's good versus evil, depending on who's standing. Ganun kasimple yung sa akin.
Ito pa, si Anchor Away, involving moral turpitude.
So it is like, for libel. Alam mo, Pards, kasi nung nandyan pa ako, libel was rarely used.
Hindi na sinabi na libel. Ang sabi niya, involving, probably he's saying it's a crime involving moral turpitude daw. So I don't know if he's referring to libel.
Oo, nakita ko libel eh. Pero we'll go back to that. Sige, habang nag-ano ka ng pananaw. Yun. Convicted for 4 counts of libel nga.
4 counts. Okay. All right. Anyway. Ngayon lang yung decision o noon pa yun?
No, this has been a while. Kaya ngayon lang siya tatakbo, di ba?
Okay. Anyways, sige Mars, go ahead.
Ayun, no, it's me. It's plain and simple. We are the underdog, and it's a battle of good versus evil. If we want, we have to be cognizant of the fact that if the allied Marcos wins, no, if they win all of the seats, all of the relevant seats, we're gonna have to, hold our breath for a while na hanggat there's something that is significant that could change the pathway that they're taking. Ganito tayo. So, it's something na, kasi parts, alam mo, ito huwag ka magagalit sa akin. Huwag din kayong magagalit sa akin.
Bakit naman?
Kasi yung elections na yan, no? Ito, parts. Ako, optimistic akong tao. Pero sa takbo kasi ng palakad natin ngayon, the very people who are going to run this election and manage it, sa administration din yan eh.
Of course.
So, I mean, there's still a question on how this election will be administered. So, even if they win, what are we going to, even if our candidates really do win. But what if there's, some irregularity? Ayun na naman tayo. So medyo I'm keeping my hopes up, pero I'm being also realistic. So,
kaya nga, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, no, that's where I was. I'm not really. Let's vote. Yun. Vote your hearts out.
Kaya yun na nga, pinag-usapan nga namin ito ni Joey, na in the weeks leading to the election, it is our responsibility as political bloggers or kahit hindi naman nagbablog na to educate the voters, to safeguard their votes, no? Na sa botohan talagang aware kayo, yung mga protocols, sinusunod ba doon sa counting, at you should keep the receipt, no? May resibo ata na yan sa boto mo, no? Or para pag may mga protest na action or mga protesta, may mga ebidensya diyan, no? Pero yun ang it's not far off na may mangyayaring milagro diyan, no? The smart magic moment kung sa tingin nila. Kasi ito part, no? Ito. Okay. So naglabas itong ako, no? For parang clickbait, no? I'm all for the Marcos versus Duterte. Because whether you like it or not, our politics now is being defined by the Marcos and the Dutertes. That's number one. Number two, then you can integrate the issue-driven discussion after the Marcos Duterte. Because after all, yung mga philosophies at mga advokasya natin are aligned with the Duterte advocacy and the Duterte brand of leadership and governance. So why not make use of that? Okay? Now, to the Marcos side as well, yun na nga, no? Associated yung mga kandidato niya. You have Ping Lacson, who is the author of Concurrent Resolution number 10, na nagpo-promote ng liquidation by certification of their MOOEs. Manny Pacquiao is one big joke. Sino ba? Camille Villar is just filling up the shoes of her mother. At pangalawang magkapatid niya si Mark Villar. Erwin Tulfo, Rafi Tulfo are just clout chasers, no? Na naging media personality kaya naging very popular. Wala namang ambag yan sa nation building and the list goes on, no? So ibig sabihin na nga, no? Yung Marcos versus Duterte mo is, yun na nga, no? In fact, is a battle between good and evil, no? Good governance and evil form of governance, no? And I'm gonna have to play for that, no? Now,
there, pwede ba na, kumbinsin mo nasa, ano siya ngayon? Nandito si there. There, 10 minutes lang, sis.
There, akyat ka. I'll send you the link.
10 minutes lang.
Discuss ka muna part and I will send it.
Ayan. Akyat si there.
Akyat siya?
Sige. Hindi. Alam mo, yan. Mga Pards, no? Alam nyo naman siguro ang nangyayari, no? Yung mga medyo may influence, nagkakaroon ng significant na contribution sa general politics natin ngayon, medyo ginugurgur. Meron yung tinatanggalan ng live. Si Attorney Trix, tinanggalan na ng live, no? Andiyan na siya. I think andiyan na wala pa. Nakakit ba si Dear?
Sinend ko pa. Ewan ko. Tingnan ko.
Ayun, diba?
There, sinend ko na.
There, 10 minutes lang.
There.
Ayaw.
Ayaw ba? Sino nag-comment ko? Hindi ko makita.
Baka, inano ko Anyway,
hindi ko makita si Dear.
Dalawang beses ginurgur yan na magkasunod. Buti nga nakaka-post ngayon. So, what I encourage for everyone who's following.
Hindi ko nakikita si Dear.
Sir, nasa live.
Ito!
Ayun. Kung pwede, lahat ng pwede nyong screenshot sa kanya or kung mabada-download ba yung mga pinopost niya, itago nyo kasi, ang dami-dami niyang post means nawawala lang pag ginugurgur. So, it really would help kung itatago natin yan for our own dissemination. Pumayag naman siya na i-replicate na yan di ba, Pards? Pumayag siya that we can repost those, re-explain them, ganon. So, okay yun. At sa totoo lang, Pards, nung bago ako sa vlogging na to, kasi I hate numbers. I'm not a number person. But there was able to make it simple for me what the numbers are really telling us. So, I think makakatulong din ito sa marami nating kababayan. Wait po, sir. Sige. Yay! Aakyat siya, Pards.
Sige.
Diba?
Okay, go.
Ang kulit ko kasi.
Go nga. Sige. Ano ba yan sinasabi mo?
Yung nga sabi ko, sino pa ba yung nagurgur? Ang daming nagurgur in the past, kaya medyo may iba, natatakot na din, of course, no? Pero yung Pards ko, hindi yan natatakot kasi may agimat yan. Nakikita nyo yan. Nakikita nyo, haplos-haplos niya yung bigote niya yan. Bilang na bilang niya yan. Kapag yan.
Meron akong agimat, bigay ni Mr. Putin.
Okay. Made in Russia ka pala, Pards, no? Pero anyhow, sino pa ba ang namamayagpag? Si Lito Lapid daw. Diyos ko, promise. Ano ba ginawa ni Leon Guerrero?
Hindi ko nga alam na senador pa yan, putang inang yan
Oo nga, senador pala yun. Ang alam ko lang, girlfriend niya si Lorna Tolentino.
Yan yung talagang mga may post nga si Professor Van Ibiernas dyan Kailan ba yan naging oposisyon? Lito Lapid siya kasi Bong Revilla. Putang ina. Hindi naman oposisyon yan.
Diba?
Kasi mga political leeches yan, no? Parang mga linta yan na to suck on political power, no? Yun na yun, no?
Anyway, sabi ni Jim Lord, loyal taga Pampanga dyan kay Lapid. Hindi din. Hindi ko alam senador ba yan. They are very old political families already there. Kasama yung mga, sino pa ba yung mga nandyan na old? Sa bandang Porac yan So,
well, anyway, I will just continue what I've been saying.
Sige, go ahead. Nantay natin si Dare. Akit din daw siya.
While we wait for Dare.
Standby kayo for Dare, It's a treat when she comes up.
Versus Duterte nga, no? It's a dichotomy between bad and good governance, no? At yung issue-based dyan, no? Dyan, papasok din yan, no? But to bombard the citizenry with so many issues plaguing this administration, ma-overwhelm yan, no? So dapat anong tawag diyan? Salihan mo ng konting intriga, konting teleserye kasi we have a teleserye mindset So kailangan talaga niyan na to get the voters' attention, you have to be creative in your post, no? Na pag nag-post ka ng something na halimbawa tungkol sa PhilHealth, no? Dapat yung narrative mo diyan may tungkol sa pamilya ba? You have a certain story, no, to tell, no? Before you go to the main idea of the post, no, which is to attack whatever issue that been hounding this or particular issue hounding this administration, especially the president. No? But in any case, no, mahaba pa yung mahaba pa yung ang campaign season, matagal pa yan. So yung mga naratibo ngayon after the filing will now be part of that storyline, no, the story arc, no. Kumbaga, no, hanggang sa mag-climax na nga doon sa election mismo, no, in 2025, no. So let's just see kung anong mangyayari diyan, no. But ako talaga I'm all for the Marcos versus Duterte, to be honest, no. Kasi nga ito parts, no, kasi nga if you remember after the hearing, no, ng Blue Ribbon Committee doon sa House of Representatives nung parang ano yun parang yung public accountability ba na hearing na hindi nga siya nag-take off. After the yung appearance niya doon, may ambush interview siya at tinanong si Inday, is it still possible for a Duterte Marcos partnership or a team up between the Marcoses, no, in plural at ang sabi niya, no, never again. So meaning to say anyone associated or having a Marcos middle name, hindi na talaga papayag si Inday na makipag-partner, makipag-team up.
Oh, yes.
Now, indirectly by guilt by association, anyone na dumidikit dyan sa Marcos, talagang political adversary na ni Inday, which technically makes this election now really between the Marcos kind of governance and the Duterte brand of governance. Therefore, pag ni-reduce mo yan for brevity, it's Marcos versus Duterte na nga.
Kaya nga good versus evil ako.
Good versus evil, no? So, but in any case, ito yung nangyari dito ngayon, no? The bastardization of our election. Ako naman, parts, no? Ako wala naman akong problema, no? Kasi unless we anong tawag dito, we amend the Constitution, yung political structure natin given by or instructed by the Constitution, kahit sino naman pwedeng tumakbo. Diba? Kahit anong partido pwede naman magpa-accredit, no? At kahit anong estado mo sa buhay, pwede ka namang mag-participate nga, no? Sa akin lang, no? Pero it seems to me na amplify talaga na ang politika natin at we are so immature as a democracy, no, as a state, no? Because yun na nga, no, we are personality driven. At nagtatanong nga ako, bakit nga why is it na even celebrities in their own rights, no, are now gunning for positions in government? 'Di ba? Ano bang nasa gobyerno na yung may mga milyon-milyon na followers na mga influencers at TikTokers tumatakbo na ngayon?
Sino yan? Si Diwata ba yan, Cards?
Hindi muna. Ito sila.
So, si Models of Manila yan, di ba?
Sino yan sila? Hindi ko alam to. Hindi ko kilala. Ha?
Yung Models yung nasa gitna, kung di ako nagkakamali. Models of Manila. Tama ba ako, mga Pards?
Sino tong? Okay. Sino tong nasa kaliwa?
Ay, hindi ko alam yung nasa both sides niya. Gitna lang kilala ko.
Tanongin natin yung mga viewers natin.
Mga viewers. Sino yung nasa left? Naka-black.
Eli. Sino ba si Eli?
Eli. TikToker daw.
TikToker. Ano bang content niya sa TikTok?
Ano daw content niya? Not James Bond. Si Rosmar din, Pards.
Rosmar is running, no? Okay. Yan sila, mga influencer. Ito, matindi. Si Ralph Recto, na tatay nila, DOF secretary. Pero tatakbo si Vilma Santos at yung dalawang anak nila.
Ay, gawin na lang natin game show to. Kasi...
Putragis. I mean, ako wala naman din akong problema, no? sa mga political dynasties, no? Kasi again, no, wala naman tayong enabling law banning political dynasties. No? And in fact, one could argue na the Dutertes are also forming their own
yes. No,
political
you can't hide that fact. They are a dynasty, but you know, there are good and bad ones. So
pero yun na nga, no, halimbawa, itong si Diwata, naging nominee ng
Andy Sabaw.
Yun, no. So,
vendor party list ba yun? Meron siya party list, diba?
Ano ba yan? Ano bang tinitindan niya?
Ares.
Baka Shabu. Shabu
Yan, lilutang.
Ito na si Dare, no?
Yeah.
Paakyatin ko na si Dare,
sige.
mga kaibigan, no? Ito na si Dare, Ayun. Hi, Dare. Nakamute ka, Dare.
Hello po.
Welcome, sis Dare.
Good evening.
Finally, tagal-tagal. Ang hirap mahagilap nitong ating sister na to.
Nako, ma'am, ano po kasi, 'di ba Sir AB, sinabi ko sa inyo na I have some little ones here, so yung schedule is very how to say this, wala talaga akong masyadong time, yung tipong pasingit-singit lang ako pag mga tulog na.
Kaya madaliin na natin, no? We want to do up. Ano bang nangyari sa page mo, sa original page mo na I think 16,000 followers na yun eh.
Sir, nalala niyo, sir, last week when I joined you on Sir June, sinabi niyo na, sabi pa ni Sir June, sana wag pag-initan ng FB, wag magurgur ganun. So, when it happened, I really remembered that. So it was September 27, after I shared the post of TP, na parang finalap ko lang nangyari sa Dingvac siya ba yun? Parang ganun. That was the last post. After that, talagang biglang automatic nag-log out siya. Sabi ko, what happened? Nag-log out siya bigla. Tapos, I did not receive a notification for violations or whatever.
You mean to say nag-log out? Hindi ka na makalog in?
Opo. As I was in the process of replying to comment. Tapos, bigla siyang nag-log out.
Hala, iba yan.
So, yes. So, parang sabi ko, hala, ano kayo nangyari na to? Parang, is it about my password or whatever? Pero, sabi ko, okay. Ito na yun. Maybe ito na yun.
Pero, you tried logging back in.
I'm sorry, ano po?
Did you try
logging out ka ba there? Na-lock out ka?
I try, and yes, when I try to log in, ang sinabi agad is parang we have suspended your account for community standards violations.
Okay.
So, and then you have to write to appeal. Nung nag-try ako mag-appeal, ang nangyari parang you have to upload a selfie picture and then ID. So sabi ko, I want to maintain my anonymity, parang ganun.
Yes.
Sabi ko, doon ka inatake.
Doon siya inatake. Inaalam ko sino ka there.
Pero alam niyo, ma'am, kasi parang ako naman talaga personally, kung ako lang talaga, okay naman sana mag-out ako. Alam niyo po yun. Pero my husband is very talaga no, as in no, parang sabi niya, put all the information out there. And
pero there, you still have all the Excel sheets, yung mga screenshots.
Yes. Opo, I have. And ito nga yung ginagawa ko na sa new page, which I don't think it will last long also. The page.
So ang suggestion ko, you subscribe to GoDaddy and create your own website. And then upload it there. And then we can actually screenshot from there. Don't protected ka dun eh. If you have your own
pwede gumawa ng assume lang na persona. Para
actually, ma'am, a very good a kind-hearted fellow pro PH then nag-suggest nag-email sa akin. Actually Joey gave the email address kasi parang gusto kong tulungan before na gumawa ng blog. Tapos so I emailed her, tapos I mean she's a very qualified, highly qualified, and she said that she will help me daw for free to do something, sabi ko.
To what?
Yeah,
to
what? To create the blog, parang ayusin yun. Yes. Parang it's a blogspot ba yun? Parang ganun.
Blogspot.
Yeah. So, hindi kasi ako techie talaga. So, ang sa akin lang, sabi ko. Ano lang tayo nito? Parang kalkalkal lang tayo nito. Yun yung talent natin, mangalkal.
Okay. So, tapos, you're working
sabi niya, opo. So, parang we're working on it. Tapos, ang sa akin naman po kasi, sir, parang ano lang naman, parang alam niyo yung na-feel ko after that. I was like, okay, so this is it. And then I tried to make another, siguro mga 2 pages. Yung isang page pa na ginawa ko yun mga 2 months ago. Hindi ko na rin siya ma-access.
Kasi you created it using the same email sa previous page mo.
Actually, it was associated with my
it's a page.
my email when I was single. yung maiden name ko, parang ganun.
Pero the same name?
Nickname ang ginamit ko. Pero ang kaso lang, Dare to Ask din kasi yung ano niya, yung page. Dare to Ask PH, parang ganun. Yes, you're correct, yes.
Nakikita din yan, that links to you, no? That is why, no, ang gawin natin dito is, talagang you should pursue, no? Because we commend talaga what you are doing, because apparently yung expertise mo ay nandyan, no? And example, ako at si Itz, no? Our only capacity is to amplify what you have been, and to understand what you are posting and to relay it to our audience in a, layman's point of view para mas madali nilang
maintindihan. Well, your analysis are very, naman. Sobrang yung analysis ninyo with the current events and all, I mean these are the real, talaga stuff.
Kasi, I've spoken to Baste and Atty. Vic, no, sometime, and they are really concerned, no, and they really want bloggers like you, no, because I mentioned ko yung pangalan mo in passing, about issues, no, in this upcoming elections. Kasi ang napag-usapan nga namin doon is to be really issue driven, na talagang mga cold hard facts na talaga. Example, no, halimbawa sasabihin natin itong PDIC issue. You have the cold hard facts, ano yung example, may mga memo tayong nakita, yung may mga reportorial requirements na na-publish nila, no, at tapos i-compare natin yan sa mga circulars, sa underlying legislation or underlying EO or AO or whatever, no, para maano ng mga tao na eto illegal to, no, bordering on the illegal or improper yung mga ginagawa nila, no. Lalo na sa yung mga it's, no, yung mga post mo na hindi ko nga na-share yun yung ano tawag doon, yung mga unauthorized increases from the
sir, alam niyo, sir, sa totoo lang, if there are two things that I would love to discuss talaga in detail talaga, at saka yung isang in-depth discussion talaga, gusto ko talaga mag-focus sa ang tingin ko lang, manipulation, no, ng budget ng Congress. Kung nakita ko kasi yung galaw niya yung galaw niya from the NEP to GAA, kasi yung GAB, hindi ko naman nakikita yung GAB. So from NEP to GAA to COA. Ay, grabe. As in, crystal clear talaga. So, actually, I don't think it's nothing new.
Well, we've heard that so many times. We've heard it from
but it's just that I have the numbers.
We don't have the tools to explain it. No, how did they do it? No?
Yeah. And the thing, sir, is meron talagang numbers. Alam niyo po yun, yung parang, kasi ang bilis ng sabihin, di ba, na na parang, ang budget nila is ganitong ginagawa na, but at the end of the day, is like, siguro tayo lahat gusto natin malaman, how much ba? Magkano ba? How much are we talking about?
So mga ilang oras yan there?
Kaya naman siguro siya mga ano po, mga hindi ko alam, at least 1 hour, mga 1 hour siguro
1
ganun.
hour. Well, if you have 1 hour to spare, send me a message, send me all the documents.
Sige po. Sige, sir. Ano, sir? Siguro ang ano kasi is Tuesday. Tuesday, yun talaga yung may time ako sa Tuesday.
Ayun.
Except lang kung ano, pag walang mga fever ang mga tao, so yun pwede.
Mga anong oras yun? The same time
yeah, 9 p.m. for you
9 p.m.
there.
onwards.
So, bistak yun, Pards.
Pang-bistak yan, Sige.
Naku, ma'am, I would like to discuss with you talaga sana, ma'am, kasi lang wala ko ibang time din.
Bisdak din ito si Dare Bisaya din ito
Yes, Bisaya ako.
Natin ma-tsempuhan si Dare. Yung Tuesday na yon, kung pwede multi-dialect muna tayo or Tagalog para maintindihan din ng mga iba. Just actually, for that one time there. Next
Tuesday po, ma'am.
Actually, we can do it on Tuesday, no? Apat tayo. Si Dare, ako at saka si June Abines, no? Para mayroon ding ibang point of view na makapagtanong sa'yo or makapag-reinforce ng kung ano mang nalalaman nila. At yun na nga, yung galawan dyan sa budget, yun ang titingnan natin.
Opo. Kasi sir, alam niyo po sir, ako lang kasi parang doon sa mga content score, parang, syempre, obvious naman talaga na may bias ako kasi I'm a Duterte supporter. So, that's one. Pero, with the figures, hindi ko naman opinion yun at saka hindi ko naman siya feelings, di ba? It's not about my feelings or my opinion kasi, I mean, numbers don't lie. I mean, they are there. It's there talaga. It's just a matter of connecting the dots.
Actually, there, if I were to take it, yung bias mo as a Duterte supporter is actually the best reason bakit magaling ka. Kasi nga, pag bias ka against the Duterte, hindi mo gagawin yan. To drill down.
Alam niyo ba, sir, ganito? Alam niyo ba, sir, ganito? I started talaga with this, with my page. Nung nakita ko nga yung hindi mo pera yan, tapos nagdig ako. Naku, sir, nung natininan ko yung COA, hindi ako makatulog. Talagang, as in, parang hindi ako mapakali. Tapos, parang alam mo yung feeling na naka-witness ka ng crime? Yung naka-witness ka ng crime, tapos tahimik ka lang? Parang, hindi ako makatulog.
Ilang beses na rin sinabi to from all over, no? Even si Itz ata, pinag-ano na natin. Nung una, okay lang ako, no? Pero, when you know when I knew what I know now, when I look at my fellow Filipinos, all jubilant, all busy in their lives, you really feel sad na they are oblivious to the fact na they are being screwed from behind by this government.
Yeah. Tapos
it's a sad burden. It's a sad burden.
Yeah.
Ito pa, sir. Alam niyo, wala akong plano talaga na yung tipong tingnan yung confidential fund ni VP at saka yung iba pa. Parang kasing, ako syempre normal din na parang if I believe in Duterte, in the Duterte brand, I have to check for myself if what I'm believing is parang hindi rin ba sila, kung maayos din ba sila. So, I started to dig also kung ano yung mga confidential fund, lahat-lahat na lang. And, kumbaga, very objectively, kahit ayaw ko ipagtanggol si VP, but the facts are on her side talaga. It's like, how about the 11 days? Bakit 11 days? So, inisa-isa ko yun kung kailan nag-start magsulat, ano ang palitan lang ng DBM, papunta sa Executive Secretary, papunta sa pagpirma ng Office of the President, paglabas ng SARO, inisa-isa ko talaga yun. Nakita ko, okay, this is kaya 11 days siya dahil ito yung...
So you have even the communications in between?
I have, sir. Merong supporting documents kasi. Nakita